Guys, how to fix Facebook marketplace icon missing from your Facebook. So to do so, launch and here you can see Facebook from the bottom menu bar. Marketplace is not showing here, not visible here. So to enable this feature on your taskbar of Facebook, tap on three horizontal dot and here tap on Facebook settings, and in Facebook settings page scroll down and look for navigation bar. Tap on navigation bar and here choose customize the navigation bar. Tap on it and here you will find marketplace is set as auto. It means Facebook will show as per their choice. So simply tap on it and choose pin. Now marketplace successfully pinned on your Facebook page. You can see marketplace is now visible on your Facebook page.